You gotta.
Oh, you're public relations,
You gotta. What's up?
Okay, okay. No, do it together. What's up, guys? Oh, ready? What's up, seniors? What's up, seniors?
Welcome to
Beach Day! About.
Talk about your friendship with Danny.
No. So right now I'm just wearing the Arizonas. I was taking the SAT like a month or so ago, and this one girl was wearing the ones that are like the cork, but then the white straps, and I really like them, but I think they're a tad bit girly. So can you guys comment if you also think they're girly, or if you think I could rock the white Birkenstocks with the normal cork outsole? Thank you.